Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to make a voice call to a number on the WhatsApp app using your PC, especially with the latest update that makes this process even smoother. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official WhatsApp website and download the desktop version. Once installed, log in using your phone to link your account. Next, look at the left side menu of the app. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on the phone icon. This icon is your gateway to making calls directly from your PC. Now that you've clicked on the phone icon, it's time to call a number. You'll be prompted to enter the number you wish to call. Make sure to input it correctly, as this is crucial for connecting with the right person. After entering the number, you'll notice an option labeled Voice. Click on this option to initiate a voice call. Your call will be placed, and all you need to do now is wait for the recipient to answer. And there you have it. Making a voice call on WhatsApp from your PC is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can connect with friends and family effortlessly. Remember, this feature is available thanks to recent updates that enhance user experience and connectivity. So, go ahead and enjoy seamless conversations right from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Happy calling.